Paying for your NxGen MDx test. NxGen MDx strives to provide an outstanding patient experience through our high-quality genetic testing, personalized customer service, and transparent billing practices. If your doctor orders one of NxGen MDx's tests, you will be presented with two payment options: self-pay and insurance. Self-pay. Each of NxGen MDx's tests has a self-pay price for those who do not have or do not wish to use health insurance. If you choose to pay for the test yourself, NxGen MDx will send you a bill for the cost of the test once you have received your results. Insurance pay. If you choose to use your health insurance to pay for the test, NxGen MDx will send a claim to your insurance provider. Once this claim has been sent, self-pay is no longer an option. When your insurance provider receives this claim, they will calculate your out-of-pocket cost. Part of this process may involve sending you an explanation of benefits, or EOB, document detailing all of the charges related to your claim, copay, and deductible amounts per your insurance plan, and any patient responsibility. This EOB is not a bill. Once your portion of the payment has been calculated by your insurance provider, NxGen MDx will send you a statement for any amount that you still owe. Have any questions? Give us a call or visit nextgenmdx.com.